welcome to my channel. Been a while, you see my face. How you doing? Thank you so much for joining me today. So guys, today I want to be showing you how I make oxtail. Oxtail is a Caribbean staple. Oxtail recipe is amazing. My first time trying to make it was when I had a nurse working in my house for my mom. She made it for her. It was amazing. And then I checked out Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna put his link. He is an amazing subscriber of mine. Amazing chef with so much goodies. So I watched how he made it. I learned it again, and I became, I think, comfortable making it. So I want to show you guys how I make it. There might be a little twist, I don't know, but I am not from the Caribbean, but we're still the same. So I'm going to show you how to make this oxtail recipe. Let's go. Alright guys, these are my ingredients. Here I have the oxtail. I already marinated it because normally you're supposed to at least minimal of, I think, 24 hours. But this one went over 24 hours because I couldn't get the time to make it yesterday night. But I'm gonna put down all the ingredients, the spices that I used to marinate it in the description box below. It's just simple spices. All right, over here I have the butter bean. This is it in the can. You're gonna add it to that. Some people don't add it. I mean, it's optional, I think. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I have my rainbow pepper. This is not hot. This is just sweet pepper. This is what I use to brown it, to bring it to this color. This is browning, okay? Buy the very good one. Some people use brown sugar, but I don't like sugar in my food. We don't use sugar to cook. So I just use the browning. And I'm gonna be adding, this is Cameroon pepper. This is the dry one. You could use Scotch bonnet pepper for it. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna be adding that. And I'm gonna be using the olive oil to braise the oxtail in the pot. I'm gonna be adding tomato paste, just like a tablespoon. I think it's fine. It's almost done anyway. You could skip that. I have the green onions, the red onions. I have the beef stock, and basically that's it. The salt, and this is just all we need for this. All right. So the major thing is the oxtail, which is to marinate it. So that is out of the way now. I had to do it prior to filming the video so I can make the video short. Okay. So let's go into making it. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be braising the oxtail. Like in our terms, we will say frying it a little bit, but they say braising. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing now. That's the first step. Okay, guys, let's go. All right, guys. So I'm using a white pot or a white pan so that I'll be able to turn the oxtail when I add it into it. So like I said, what we're doing is braising. We're not really like frying. We just I'm just gonna put it, let it warm up the same time, because since it's coming out from marinade, I don't want it to splash all over me. So anyways, we're gonna brown it like 3 minutes on each side. Okay, if you have a wider pan, that's even much more better. I might have to do this in 2 batches because I don't want to fill everything. So that's what we're gonna do, 3 minutes on each side, and then I put the remaining one. I'm gonna turn it over now. Try not to allow it to burn. If it burns, you might as well just throw it out and start all over, because you don't want that. That's why you have to be by it to monitor it. All right, so you see that beautiful color, it's coming together. So let me do the other side, 3 more minutes. Okay. All right, guys, this is braised enough. I'm gonna take it out and go ahead and put the other part. All right, I'm putting the second part. Make sure your light is like on medium low so it doesn't burn. Remember, you don't want to burn this. You just want to brown it. Okay. All right, we're good to go. So this is the last batch, so we can go ahead and finish our cooking. So right now I'm gonna be putting the onions and the peppers all at once into the pot or the pan. All that nice juice that came out from braising it, mix it together, and then add in this is like a tablespoon remaining here. tomato paste, just for more flavor and color. Have to get me more. Anyway, this is fine. Give it a quick mix. And put the beef stock, like a teaspoon of black pepper. And now I'm gonna add in my Cameroon pepper. You can use Scotch bonnet if you like it hot. If you can't stand the heat, just put Scotch bonnet. Don't cut it. Just put it in like that for the flavor, and then you take it out when the food is done. So right now I'm gonna pour in the remaining of the marinated sauce. Pour it back into the pan and let the magic begin. And you pour your water, 3 to 4 cups should be fine. Oxtail takes a while to cook. You want it to be tender, almost falling off the bone. So now put back the oxtail into the pot and allow it to cook for like an hour or an hour and a half. Some people cook up to 3 hours, I don't know, but I'm in highest I'm gonna stay will be 2 hours. I just want it to cook down, and then we're done. So see you guys back in the next 1.5 or 2 hours. Alright guys, you can see the water has really reduced drastically. This is when I like to add the butter bean and the green onion. You could add it for it to cook, but because it's already cooked, I don't want it to be too soft. You see that? So I'm just gonna allow it simmer down for the next 5 to 7 minutes, and we basically done. Alright guys, now I turn off the stove. Look at that yummy looking oxtail. Whoa! Alright, Chef Ricardo, go ahead and give me a score. Let me dish out. I have the pleasure of dishing out my rice, then my brown honey beans. Woo, guys, come and join me. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna be posting this video on Thanksgiving Day. What are you thankful for? I'm thankful for all my subscribers, amazing subscribers. God bless each and every one of you. You've been of a great support in my channel, and I really appreciate you guys. So guys, let me test for butter first. Ooh. You see, I didn't add salt anymore because when I marinated the oxtail, I added salt to it. And with the bullion cube, the beef one, they're always salty. Amazing. One more for both of us, guys. Look at how soft. Basically, I ended up cooking for like 3 hours. I thought it was gonna be 2 hours, but it took 3 hours so it could simmer down. Look at how soft the oxtail. Join me. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to my Caribbean family. You guys are blessed with a lot of recipes. Of course, you have a touch of African in you. Anyway, I'm gonna put down the description on the description box below. I'm gonna put the link for Chef Ricardo, my friend, my chef, teaching me some Caribbean stuff. Go ahead and watch his video, see how he made his own. There's a little different, but he's an amazing chef. Thank you so much. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I love you. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Please consider subscribing, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment. I appreciate you all. And to you, my amazing returnees, you guys are awesome. You rock. Thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving if you're in America or wherever you are and you happen to be celebrating Thanksgiving or harvest time. Happy Thanksgiving. God bless each and every one of you. Kindly stay safe. Stay blessed. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. Oh,